Biography of Sayyid Noor. Lahore Showbiz Desk. Legendary director Sayyid Noor continues to inspire Pakistani cinema. Lahore, Pakistan's acclaimed filmmaker, writer, and producer Sayyid Noor, often regarded as the revivalist of Lollywood, continues to be celebrated for his invaluable contribution to the country's film industry. Born on February 21, 1951 in Lahore, Sayyid Noor began his artistic journey as an assistant director in the early 1970s. His passion for storytelling, strong command over dialogue, and understanding of social realities soon established him as one of the most talented writers and directors in Pakistani cinema. The turning point film Sargam. The film Sargam, released in the 1990s, proved to be a milestone in Sayyid Noor's career and in the history of Pakistani cinema. Starring Adnan Sami Khan and Zeba Bakhtiar, the film became an instant success due to its soulful music, emotional depth, and meaningful narrative. Sargam not only revived audience interest in Urdu cinema but also redefined the musical film genre in Pakistan. Its songs, composed and sung by Adnan Sami, became timeless hits, and the movie is still remembered for its unique blend of melody, love, and culture values, box office success, and social themes. Following the success of Sargam, Sayyid Noor directed a series of blockbuster films such as चूड़ियाँ, घर कब आओगे, मेहंदी वाले हाथ, झूमर, मजाजन, and Price of Honor. His films often address social and moral issues, especially focusing on family ties, women's empowerment, rural life, and class divides. He is credited with creating a distinct storytelling style that merges entertainment with realism. Awards and recognition. Throughout his illustrious career, Sayyid Noor has received numerous accolades including multiple Nigar Award, Lux Style Award, and several national honors recognizing his lifelong dedication to the arts. He has also been a mentor to many leading actors and filmmakers in the Pakistani industry, including Saima Noor, Reema Khan, and Mohammad Rana, who have all benefited from his creative guidance and cinematic vision. Continuing the legacy even after decades in the industry, Sayyid Noor remains actively engaged in promoting Pakistani cinema. He frequently lectures at film academies, produces projects that support new talent, and advocates for quality storytelling in local film production. Industry experts believe that Sayyid Noor's commitment, creativity, and deep understanding of cultural values continues to inspire the new generation of filmmakers, keeping the spirit of Lollywood alive. MD Udan News TV Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil Cooks, Desi Eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Koil Jat Kadahi, Helvex Beauty Soap, and marriage proposals for all caste. Mobile number 0323478787. You are watching Udan News.